You brave boys and tars that enlist for the wars, remember the action at Vigo. And where Ormond commands, there let us join hands. And where he goes, may you go, and we go. His honour proclaim, great Ormond found treasure at Vigo, and the echoes rebound. Now let trumpets sound. Where he goes, may you go, and we voice, for we all did rejoice when we heard of his triumph at Vigo. Yet so kind and so true, he gave all men their due. So where he goes, may we go, and we go. Commanded so bravely at Vigo, let our subject and theme be Ormond's great name, and where he goes, may you go, and we go. Then welcome from Vigo and cudgeling Don Diego, from plundering the galleons of roving rapscallions, welcome each valiant fellow home from Ronondello, and those who did meet with the Newfoundland fleet. And for recent successes which Europe confesses on land won by gallant commanders, the Dutch with strong beer should be drunk for a year from toasting their general in Flanders.